If you followed the earlier videos, by now you know what are the steps that are involved to create a job and how to run a job successfully. In this video, I will show you how to optimize a job's performance by using parallelization. Parallelization has different meanings in different tools or in different contexts, but according to Talend, parallelization means how to run the processes parallelly. And there are different in different ways you can achieve the parallelization or you can implement the parallelization. One of such is using the parallel executions of multiple subjobs, which means, you know, in each job you can have so many number of subjobs. Let me show you as an example. Here if you see, I have 3 subjobs, 1, 2 and 3, and as you can see, I don't have any triggers that are connected to each subjob. If I don't have any trigger connected to these subjobs, what happens? These can be run at the same time without any issues, or they can be run at the same time because they don't have any dependencies, or they don't have any trigger condition that says on unsuccessful finish of this job trigger this, or unsuccessful finish of this job trigger this. They don't have any condition like that. So in this situation, you can utilize the parallelization and you can run all the jobs at the same time. How do you do that? When you click on a subjob, you get properties, component, run, context and job. Just click on any subjob, go to extra, and here you will see multi-thread execution. Click on multi-thread execution. That's it. That's all you need to do. And as you can see, job view will have properties common to the whole job. Okay. So when you selected multi-thread execution, what happens? Each process will be run on a separate thread. What does that mean? So thread, subjob, one subjob counts as a single thread, and this number of threads should not exceed the number of processors you have that are available on your machine. Okay, for example, now I have three subjobs, which means 3 threads. They will be run at the same time on different processors. So that's one method how I can use the parallelization of Talend. Another parallelization you can see is on an iterate link or iterate connection. So what happens? Iterate, it just iterates different rows or files in a loop. How we can use the parallelization here is when you click on an iterate link, and if you go to component, you will have an option called enable parallel execution. So as you can see, into 2, I can change this to 3. So now you see 3. What happens when you mention the parallelization, parallel execution here is, you can, this single line will become 3 different lines. So the iteration happens on 3 different lines at the same time. So which means instead of looping 1 at a time, you will loop 3 at a time. So that's another way of using the parallelization. Most importantly, this can be used when you are iterating context variables to a subjob. So what happens there? When you are iterating parallelly, all the context variables can be read by the respective subjob in a single go instead of different number of loops, n number of loops. So that's how, these are the 2 circumstances that you can use the parallelization to optimize your job's performance.